Hi everyone, we're going to solve this tricky math problem. Please don't start with 4 times 7, then 4 times 5. That's a no-no, that's wrong. You start with 7 divided by 5, which is, I don't know. So I'll write it in a fraction form, 7 over 5. Next, I'll bring down the 4 down, then this 4 down, and then this 5 down, but in fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 4 over 1 times 7 over 5 divided by 4 over 1 divided by 5 over 1. Now we're looking at this math problem. PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first, so 4 times 7 is 28 over 1 times 5 is 5, and this cannot be broken down further, so 28 over 5 it is. So now I'll erase this for space and write 28 over 5, and we're dividing 4 over 1, and we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule, so KCF. So we keep the first fraction, we change division to multiplication, and lastly we flip the second fraction, so it'll be written 1 over 4. And now we multiply across, and just rewrite this 5 over 1. Okay, 28 times 1 is 28 over 5 times 4 is 20. And that cannot, well, we can break this down further, right? Let's break it down further. So let's just half them because both numbers are even. So half of 28 is 7, or what is it? 14, right? Yeah, 14. 14 times 2 is 28. So it's 14 over, and then half of 20 is 10. And then let's just half it one more time, right? Because they both numbers are even. So half of 14 is 7, and half of 10 is 5. So we have 7 over 5. Wow. We turn a big number to a smaller number. That's good. Now, I'll erase all that, right? And then write 7 over 5 divided by 5 over 1. And we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule again. So we keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and lastly flip the 5 over 1, and I'll write it 1 over 5. And we multiply across, so 7 times 1 is 7 over 5 times 5 is 25. And don't leave yet because we're going to figure out the decimal answer to this proper fraction answer. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to support the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. Please hit that like button to support, and I'll continue solving this math problem. So 7 over 25 is your first answer, and that cannot be broken down further. So this is it, 7 over 25. Next, I'll write the long division symbol, write the 7 inside and the 25 outside. You cannot fit 25 into 7, so that's 0. And 0 times 25 is 0. And then 7 minus 0 is 7. You still can't fit 25 into 7, so the 7 becomes 70 by adding a decimal after the 7 and after the 0. Write a 0 after the decimal, bring it down, give it to the 7. Now the 7 becomes 70. Now, how many times can 25 fit into 70? Twice, right? Twice. And 2 times 25 is 50. And we subtract 70 minus 50, which is 20. And how many times can 25 fit into 20? You cannot, so the 20 is to borrow a 0. It becomes 200. You can fit 25. Let me use the 5 as the anchor. The 5 as the anchor. So that's 100. So it seems like we need to multiply by 6. So 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 150. Seems like we need to go a little higher. Let's try 25 times 8. Yeah, that works. 5 times 8 is 40, and 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 200. Woohoo! So that goes up here. This 8 times 25 is 200. 200 minus 200 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 0.28. And there you go. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for your support by subscribing. And here's your happy face. And don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.